Hello everyone, and welcome to DuPont Registry TV, where you'll get an opportunity to experience a test drive on that Ferrari you've always wanted to buy, or in fact on any other classic luxury or exotic car that you see in the pages of the DuPont Registry. For 22 years we've been bringing you cars for sale, cars that qualify as luxury, classic, exotic. And today we have one of the finest exotics, the Ferrari F430 Spider. The top goes down in just 20 seconds, 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. The value of these cars has risen since the day they were announced. Sticker price, if you're looking just at the window and want to wait, well, that's about $200,000, $210,000, that kind of range. You want it today? Look in the marketplace for classic luxury and exotic automobiles, and you'll find one for sale at about $320,000 to $350,000. The car is so fast and so comfortable, and the place to look for it is on DuPont Registry TV or in the pages of the DuPont Registry, a buyer's gallery of fine automobiles.